The keto diet, while it is not the magic cure-all for every single disease on the planet, does a pretty good job at being the panacea for reversing many conditions. So let's look at 3 of the benefits of the keto diet. Benefit number 1. Weight loss. The keto diet is composed of approximately 75% fat, 20% protein, and 5% or less carbohydrates. The high fat content and lack of sugar means diminished cravings, lack of blood sugar swings and binges, and increased satiation. Increased satiation means you eat less. Many people also have food sensitivities to grains, even gluten-free ones, so eliminating them may lead to an increased ability to absorb minerals like magnesium and potassium, which in turn means your body is more nourished and you have fewer cravings. Now, let's talk about the role of ketones. When your blood sugar is running low, your body turns to its glycogen stores for energy. Typically, glycogen stores hold about 2,000 calories of backup energy for when you run out of glucose. Like the intelligent machine it is, your body depletes the glycogen stores and then turns to your own body fat for fuel. But here's the thing. The ketogenic diet is not a free-for-all eat however much cheese or low-carb fat bombs you want kind of diet. If you are eating way more calories than you need, you will not lose weight. So focus on keeping your diet around cuts of grass-fed meat, butter, eggs, avocados, lots of green leafy veggies, and be modest with the keto desserts, dairy, and sweets. Benefit number 2. Brain function. A poorly functioning brain, as you may have experienced, leads to lessened work productivity, which in turn means an unhappy boss, lack of job satisfaction, sugar cravings for energy, and sometimes depression. It's a horrible domino effect. The original ketogenic diet was formulated to treat epilepsy. The success rate was phenomenal and it is still used today to treat epilepsy and other brain disorders. Research also indicates that ketones are more efficient brain fuel than glucose. Benefit number 3. Potential cancer benefits. One study showed implementing the ketogenic diet led to a dramatically increased survival time and slower tumor growth. Conclusion. If you're watching this now, chances are you are in some sort of discomfort, whether physical and/or mental. You may be struggling with autoimmune disorders, thyroid disease, fatigue, or brain fog and want to change. Use this information, don't just skim through it and say, "That's good for some people." Motivate yourself to change. Check out the delicious keto recipes on this channel, and take the keto quiz. Just look in the description below.